Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today, and thank you guys for watching my video. And if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that notification button, so when I post a video you guys get notified, so you guys know which video I'm putting out and when I'm posting a video. So please subscribe and please hit the notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it. So today we're gonna cook pumpkin punch. So we have 2 carrots. We have a piece of pumpkin where we're gonna peel and slice up. We have some vanilla. We're gonna use around a teaspoon of vanilla. We have 1 Guinness. This Guinness is quite strong. So this Guinness is, I don't know if you guys can see it, is 7.5%. So we're gonna use around half of this Guinness because we don't want to use all of this Guinness because it's quite strong. And we have 1 tin of condensed sweet milk. We're gonna use around half tin. We have cinnamon. We're gonna use around half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Nutmeg, around quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. So today we're gonna make pumpkin punch. And one of my subscribers said he wanted to see me make a pumpkin pie. My friend, don't worry, your pumpkin pie is coming up soon. So guys, what we're going to do now, we're just going to slice up the pumpkin. We don't want to cut the pumpkin too big because when we're going to cook it. So I wanted a small slice to put in the blender. So I just slice them up in a very nice size slice. So I'm going to put in the pumpkin and the carrot to boil at the same time. So I just slice the carrot a long way. And then I cut them in across. So that is my carrot and my pumpkin cut. So I have some water here on the fire. So I'm just going to put in my carrot and my pumpkin. It's going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Give it around 15 minutes to cook. So today we're gonna make pumpkin punch with Guinness with sweet milk. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe as yet, please hit that subscribe button, please touch that red button, and please hit the notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it. So guys, I'm just finished cooking my pumpkin and my carrot. So now I'm just gonna strain off the water and make it cool for around 45 minutes to an hour. Oh, sorry guys about that steam up my lens. Apologize for that. So I'm just gonna let it cool off there for around 45 minutes, and then after I'm just gonna put it in the blender. So today we're gonna make pumpkin punch. One of my subscribers said he wanted to see me make a pumpkin pie. So very soon, my friend, I gotta make the pumpkin pie and see you. So go and watch my video. Please share and like the video, and please subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and please share and like, and thank you guys for watching. So I'm just gonna make that cool off around 40 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna blend it up, make my pumpkin punch. Not pumpkin juice, pumpkin punch. Hi guys, welcome back. So my pumpkin and the carrot is all cool now, so I make them cool off around 40 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add half of this Guinness. So this Guinness is 7.5%. So we ain't gonna use all of the Guinness, we're gonna use around half of the Guinness because the Guinness is quite strong. So I'm gonna put half of the Guinness there. a little bit more. So now I'm just gonna add in some pumpkin and carrot. So this portion, I think I'm gonna blend it 2 times because it's a lot to blend. Fit in this blender. Gonna add in some vanilla, around a teaspoon of vanilla. Nutmeg. Some grated nutmeg. Nutmeg is quite strong, so I'm just gonna have 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Cinnamon. Gonna have 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sweet milk. Just gonna have in 1/4 of this sweet milk. I'm gonna have put in all of it. So I'm gonna add some more pumpkin and carrot in it. So this is not a carrot punch. This is a pumpkin punch. Gonna add the lid on it. Just gonna blend it up. So now I blend up that one. So now I'm just gonna add the rest of it to it. A little bit more Guinness. Drop more milk. So this is my pumpkin punch. It's all finished. So I didn't want it too watery, so it's thick like that. Oh my god, look at that, people. So this is pumpkin and carrot punch. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please hit the notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So this is my pumpkin punch. So it's up to you guys if you want to put in the Guinness. If you don't want to put in Guinness on it, you can blend it up. Say when I use the milk and the vanilla and sweeten it. So you don't have to put in Guinness if you don't want. Hi guys, this is my pumpkin punch. It's all finished now. So I use 2 carrots, 2 slices of pumpkin, half of Guinness, half of sweet milk, condensed milk. I use 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So please share and like the video, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe. So people, so this is my pumpkin punch. It's all finished. Guys, if you don't try it as yet, please give it a go. Please try it. You have that smooth, mild taste. Oh, this is delicious. So guys, please subscribe and please share and like the video, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And my friend said he wanted to see me make a pumpkin pie. Your pumpkin pie coming up soon.